Hey YouTube fam, this is EquillaMarie of EquillaMarieCreative, and this video is about just being inspired to get started on your first collage. Or if you have never tried collage before, this is a video to show you some of the projects that I've completed and I'm working on, and just to inspire you, to show you what collage can create. This ain't your average kitty collage, so if you're interested in being inspired, then stay tuned for today's video. So let's get right to it. So today's video is just to help inspire you. So I'm put together a collection of the most recent collages that I've created. Now again, I love to deal with shape and color and scale and even sometimes a little texture. So again, this is just meant to inspire you, and so I just wanted to share this video with you today. Check it out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it inspired you to get started on your first collage and just really jump in. It's no better fun than just to go ahead, get started, to play around, and then create something. So check out some of my other videos there talking about what are the things you need to cut out, examples of how I put my collages together. So check those out. And finally, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I am looking to build my channel to over 100 subscribers, and I would appreciate your support, or just a thumbs up if you really enjoyed the video. I will talk to you soon. Bye.